Hello everyone. How is your feeling now after the presentation of sharing?
It's good.
Excited.
No, don't tell me just good. What's your exact feeling about yourself? Excited. Listen.
I learned a lot of knowledge.
Okay.
Yeah.
Jim.
I think it's great.
I mean about yourself. Your own feeling now. You want to do better?
Do better?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, of course.
So you have desire to do better than sharing, right?
Yeah, maybe.
Okay. Today we are going to discuss something relevant to your feeling, and it is self-awareness. So, anybody have any idea about what is self-awareness? Self-awareness. Do you have any idea? What's your definition?
My own feeling.
Own feeling. Okay, Eric.
Understand myself.
Good. Key.
Self-perception.
Ah, very good. You're a psychologist. Lady.
Know who you are, where you are, and why you are here.
Oh, fantastic. You're more than a psychologist. And Faith, do you have any idea?
No, they have said what I want to say.
Okay, okay, yeah. Actually, you can, I give you one paper, we can turn to page 3. There is a definition of self-awareness, page 3. But I quote some definition from, you don't have it?
Yeah.
Oh, sorry. Yeah.
I don't have two.
Oh, really?
I don't
Are you, I give you, pass to them. Yeah, sorry. Okay. I quote some definition from Oxford Dictionary and from Merriam-Webster, and also from Wiki and from what's that? From Penn Water Companies. So we have some difference about the definition, but the basic thing is, if you look at the keyword, I mark as blank, and I mark as bold and blank. It is the knowledge of one's own character, feelings, motives, desires, and the knowledge and awareness of your own personalities, and it have a clear perception of your personality, including your strengths, your weakness, your thought, your beliefs, and your emotion, your motivation, like you want to do better, right? You want to be great job today. Yeah? So the last one is from Wiki. Self-awareness is the capacity for introspection and ability to recognize oneself as an individual, separate from the environment and your beliefs. Yeah, and this is separate from individual, from the environment. So there is some overlap for the definition, but there are some emphasize differently. And I also searched in my textbook what's the definition of self-awareness. That's a little bit different. Yeah, but basically they cover here. So I have a question. You can turn to page 4. Page 4. There is some picture. My question is, who has awareness in this picture? Yeah, what's your Abe? Robert? Robert. And Pika. Okay, very good answer. Pika, yeah.
Caesar.
And Anne, do you have any answer? No, okay. Actually, it's very difficult to say who has awareness. We can say until today, the robot may not have awareness, but we cannot deny that the ape, they have awareness, or I don't have, we cannot deny that. But wait a minute, maybe it's my personal opinion.
Yeah. When you see we cannot unite the robots, but we can unite the, for example, monkey.
It's ape, you can say
Oh,
ape. Yeah.
Okay. Is that the reason when you see you don't have awareness here, specifically you mean emotion?
I mean, for the definition we put here, the number 3 page, it's very difficult to deny that the ape has feeling, have emotion. This has been testified, but they may not have desire, motivation. We don't know. They may not have ability to separate themselves from the environment. So it's difficult to say they don't have or have. Maybe awareness a better definition of for degree. How much awareness you have. This I will cover in the later pages. Yeah, it's not 0 or 1 you have or you don't have. Maybe it's better to different category. Yeah.
Wouldn't you say that some people have no self-awareness in humans and some people have a lot?
Yeah, yeah. For human beings, we're the same. Some people have very accurate awareness about themselves. Some people may not have. But what's the consequence of this? So, what's the consequence? If we don't have awareness, what's the consequence? Anybody do you have any idea? If we don't have awareness, what's the consequence?
Lose myself.
Yeah.
We
Somewhat, yeah.
We don't have feelings.
Yeah, this is the extreme situation.
No empathy.
Yeah,
Yeah.
no empathy. Yeah. What else?
Hard to express my feelings, so it might make people
Yeah.
hurt me easily.
Yeah. There are many problems if we don't have self-awareness. And the extreme situation is if we don't have self-awareness, we will be like a machine. I mean, they don't have any no feeling, no pain, no desire, no motivation, no dream. Right? Human being, we have this. We cannot say it's good or it's bad. Yeah, it's like you have pain. My boy didn't like to get shot. Yeah, but sometimes if you have pain, you can feel what's the problem come from. If you have pain here, oh, here have problem. Right? This is some type of self-awareness, basic self-awareness. So this is if we don't have self-awareness, we will have such problem. And the other is if we have inaccurate self-awareness, because for many human beings, for all of us, we come here, we may have a lot of awareness about ourselves, right? But we may not have an accurate awareness about some aspects of us. So if we don't have the inaccurate self-awareness, what will happen? Here, you will have self-deception, you will have delusion, you will have depression, you will have, like Eric said, you will be lost. You don't know who you are. You don't know what's your meaning of life. You don't know what you want to do. You don't know how you came here today, why you came here today. Yeah. And so self-awareness, this is why I stay here why I stay here to discuss with you self-awareness. This is why it is so important, because without self-awareness, we will be very close to machine. We will have no pain, no motivation. And without self-awareness, without accurate self-awareness, we will have some problem, mental problem.
Question.
Yeah.
Why being a machine is not so good? Because like machine
Ah,
is easier. Right?
I'm not here to I cannot answer you it's good or bad. I cannot answer it's good or bad. But this is currently this is the difference between human being and machine. Currently, I cannot guarantee in the future. So it's not appropriate place to discuss with you good or bad. This is and human being, we should have some awareness to build a healthy life. And if you don't have, you can call me. Just 200 for 50 minutes. I'm done.
So your next step was how to raise self-awareness. Are there steps how to do that?
That's next topic.
That's next topic. Okay.
I don't have so much time to cover.
No, that's fine.